Good morning Salesforce family. Welcome back to ShubhCode Daily News. I'm covering the top Salesforce stories for August 21st, 2026. Let's jump in. Story number 1, Salesforce as a native customer success platform. Organizations are increasingly consolidating their technology stacks by building customer success tooling directly on Salesforce instead of purchasing third-party platforms. So, what does this actually mean for you? For admins and developers, this represents a shift away from maintaining complex integrations with external tools like Gainsight. Instead, you will likely be tasked with building custom customer health scoring, playbooks, and automated retention alerts natively within Salesforce using Flow and Data Cloud. The positive takeaway here is, consolidates data within a single secure environment, eliminating API integration overhead, and maximizing the return on investment for your existing Salesforce licenses. However, you should watch out because, requires significant internal development effort and admin resources to build and maintain complex logic that niche platforms provide out of the box. Story number 2, Evaluating Agentforce for Financial Services Cloud. This update explores the technical and business justifications for adopting Agentforce autonomous AI agents within highly regulated financial service environments. So, what does this actually mean for you? Admins and developers in financial services must prepare for Agentforce by ensuring robust data security, clear sharing rules, and strict grounding. You will be responsible for configuring these autonomous agents to resolve customer queries while keeping data compliant with strict industry regulations. The positive takeaway here is, provides pre-built, compliant AI frameworks designed to safely automate routine service tasks, drastically reducing developer time spent building custom conversational bots. However, you should watch out because, requires intense testing, prompt engineering, and rigorous guardrails to prevent AI hallucinations and ensure compliance with strict financial regulations. Story number 3, Leveraging existing built-in Salesforce AI agents. Many organizations already have access to out-of-the-box AI agent capabilities within their current Salesforce licensing but have not yet activated them. So, what does this actually mean for you? Before asking for more budget, admins should audit their current Salesforce licenses to identify pre-included AI capabilities. You can likely deploy ready-to-use AI functionalities immediately without purchasing extra licenses. The positive takeaway here is, allows teams to deliver quick, high-impact AI wins to stakeholders without the friction of security reviews for new third-party tools or budget approvals. However, you should watch out, because, activating these features still demands a high level of data hygiene, proper user permissions configuration, and user training to ensure successful adoption. And that's a wrap on today's Salesforce news. To recap, Salesforce as a native customer success platform. Evaluating Agentforce for Financial Services Cloud. Leveraging existing built-in Salesforce AI agents. Hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with daily Salesforce news on ShubhCode. See you tomorrow.